What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, my name's Tyler. If you have came here before and watched videos, I appreciate you. Thank you very much. You're awesome. I'm on the way to my grandma's today. So, yeah. We had a bad storm yesterday. It pretty much knocked down a tree and onto my grandmother's house. Did a little bit of damage. Was a little bit of work for me and my uncle. And I think we're gonna take out the other tree that is like right next to the one that fell. So we're gonna cut down a tree today. So you might get to watch a video where I say timber, which would be pretty cool because I've never got to say that before. But yeah, just some kind of random video I'm throwing up. It'll be in the playlist category under something random, I guess. I don't know. Helping my grandmother out so she doesn't have to call a tree service to come in and take care of these trees. So yeah, stay tuned. And speaking of bad weather, there's some of it right there. I'm in Scott Green right now. We just had a storm like literally like 20 minutes ago, like 10-15 minutes ago, not even. Look at that. Yeah, that might have been from last night. I don't know if you got to see that. That was a quick shot. Let's see if we see anything else coming up. I'll show you the damage once we get to my grandma's house and her surrounding neighbors. They had a bunch of damage as well. Yep, there's a tree taken out. Yeesh. Tree service is gonna have to come in here and make some bucks here soon. Another one. Yikes. Yep. The last storm that was just here knocked over the trash cans. Took out one of these tree limbs. There is the tree that was laying on my grandparents' house. So it was on the back corner right there. Yeah, that's where it landed. So there's the tractor that we used yesterday to get the tree off the house. Today we're just gonna cut it up and then possibly cut down the tree that is right there, because it does not need to be there any longer. It is gonna fall on their house again if it continues to stay up. We don't need that to happen, so we're gonna take that one out. Well, my uncle is about to cut down this tree right behind me. Wanted to give you guys some footage today. Dropping this tree. I don't think it's gonna go into the road, but it's gonna be pretty close. Just cutting a notch out right now. Zoom in here real quick. I don't want to stand back further, but give you guys a actual view of the tree. Got cars coming past me. Stand back right here. There you go. So yeah, that's actually how big the tree is there. Sorry if it was kind of blurry. I do apologize. There it goes. Timber! That was awesome. Make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll have another video out when I make one. Random. Peace out, guys. Now we burn it all down.